to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Your Vyroko channel. Hello people, it is well. You're welcome to my channel. So today for lunch we're going to be having the Italian recipe, which is the spaghetti a frutti di mare. Let me say it in English. I'm going to be preparing seafood spaghetti, guys. Seafood spaghetti. Okay, so here I have all the ingredients. Let me introduce you to the ingredients. I already have some oil. Yes, here I'm using the olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So this is the spices ingredients I'm going to be using. Yes, I have the cayenne pepper here. I have parsley, garlic, black pepper, and shrimp seasoning here. Any shrimp seasoning of your choice. Yes, guys. So this is my way. It's an Italian recipe, but this is my way of preparing it. And in here I have the seafood. I have previously washed them with some salt, and I've cleaned them. Even if they've cleaned it, but I still control. I just cleaned it and I washed it with salt, guys. I'm going to be using these spices. It's okay. So this here I have some shrimps, octopus, squids, and what have you. You can use any amount of seafood you want. This is what I'm using, and I'm going to be using a packet of spaghettini. I'll use one packet of this, and this one takes like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, and it's ready. So I have some wine. White wine is optional. If you don't want wine, you can skip it, but this actually makes the dish to blend properly and tasty. Yes, guys. So let me move on to, and then of course some salt. I have my salt here. So I'm going to be starting right away because my stove is already on. Like I said, I have extra virgin oil here, olive oil. You can use any one of your choice. Garlic goes in. Garlic, parsley goes in first. So you stir fry this for like 2 minutes before you add. When you stir fry this for like 2 minutes, then you add your seafood, guys. Okay, so this I'm going to be stir frying. Meanwhile, I have my hot water already here, and this is the pot I'm going to be using for the spaghettini. So I'm going to stir fry this for a while, slightly brown, you can see, about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to be adding the seafood. When I add the seafood, I'm actually now going to be adding the rest of this. This is the seafood seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper. I'm going to be adding everything inside, guys. It's a very easy recipe, simple. Give it a try. So we leave this for a while. I'm going to cover it. It's not yet time to put the wine. I'll cover it and wait for some time. So guys, I'm preparing the water for the spaghetti. Spaghettini rather. It's called spaghettini when they are smaller. So I'm going to wait for this to boil, and then I'm going to be adding my salt. Meanwhile, this is going on. So guys, I'm going to add the white wine now. Adding it right away. I give this a stir, and I wait. I've not yet added salt because I'm going to give it a taste first to see if to see the amount of salt I need. But I have to wait for this to cook for some time, guys. Guys, the water is boiling. I'm going to be adding the spag. I'm going to be adding a dash of oil, a little bit of oil inside, and then salt. Okay, and then my spaghetti goes in. This will do, guys. So I'll let them go in. Okay, I'll slightly cover it while I check on the sauce, guys. So this is the sauce. This does not really need to stay long because seafood does not need plenty of time. I'm going to be giving it a good taste to know the quantity of salt I need. I'll add salt, but not too much, guys. So this is my salt. I'm not going to add too much. I don't want my food to be salty. Salt is not good for the body. So actually my seafood is ready. I will lower my stove, but I'm not going to put it off because I need it to be extremely hot when I add the spaghetti. Spaghetti takes about 5 minutes when it's ready. Add together and we're good to go. If you watched up to this moment, thank you so much. If you love what I do on this channel, please support me, show me love by clicking the subscribe button, click the notification bell. That way you see whenever I upload my videos. And guys, for you that are subscribed to my channel, my oldies, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. I appreciate everyone out there that comes to watch my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. So guys, it's ready. So this is the spaghetti. You add it right away while it's still hot. And please don't eliminate all the water. Don't remove all the water because you need it. So I'm going to be giving this a good stir. So guys, I'm going to put it in a plate to show you guys now how it is. It's an amazing recipe, guys. If you want, normally Italians put cheese. I'm not going to be adding cheese on this one. I'm not going to be putting cheese because I easily get tired of it. I prefer it like so. You can add cheese if you want. You can add a dash of cheese. So guys, this is the spaghetti. As Italians will call it, a frutti di mare. Seafood spaghetti, guys. Seafood spaghetti. You don't need to go to your restaurant first. You can make this in your home. This is an amazing recipe, guys. So guys, here we are. I am done. Yeah, this is the seafood spaghetti we're having for lunch today. Join me, guys. Join me. It's an amazing recipe. Please give it a trial. Okay, like always, I have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. God bless you. Thank you.